fastest way to cook pasta. I'm gonna cook this pasta tonight in my Instant Pot Pro. So all you need to do is put some water into your Instant Pot, put the pasta in the cold water. I'm gonna add a little salt. I put the pot into my Instant Pot Pro. I got the lid on. Now I'm gonna set it to pressure cook. There's actually a pasta setting right here. It takes 3 minutes after it's come to pressure. I'm gonna do it on high pressure for 3 minutes. I don't need to keep it warm afterwards, then I'm gonna hit start. Okay, now it's come up to pressure and it's just gonna cook for 3 more minutes. It took about 12 minutes to come to pressure. And it's done cooking, so I'm gonna do a quick release here. Once all the steam is out, then I can open it up. And there we go, perfectly cooked pasta in just about 15 minutes from start to finish.